Hi students, this is Kumar, your maths teacher, grade 8. The next one is bar graph. A bar graph is a pictorial representation of the numerical data by a number of bars of uniform width erected horizontally or vertically with equal spacing between them. Now, let us see the few examples of bar graph. So the first question is, the table given below shows the sale of some fruits in one day by local market. The table given below shows the sale of some fruits in one day by a local market. Fruits: papaya sale in kilogram 16 kilogram, pears 8 kilogram, mangoes 24 kilogram, oranges 40 kilogram, apples 52 kilogram. Represent the data by a bar graph. Represent the data by a bar graph. Here, take the fruits along the x-axis and the sale in kilogram along the y-axis. Construct the bars of same width with the same distance between them. Here the sale in kilogram 16, 8, 24, 40, 52. Take the scale in vertical line. 1 unit is equal to 10 kilogram. 1 unit is equal to 10 kilogram. So here x-axis is fruits. Then y-axis is sale in kilogram. So x, y. So this is origin. 10, 20, 30, 40 is 1 unit is equal to 10 kilogram. So draw the bar graph. So the first one, papaya is 16 kilogram. Sale in 16. So draw the bar in 16 kilogram. So here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So draw the bar, papaya is 16 kilogram. So the next one is pears, 8 kilogram in sale. So here pears 8 kilogram, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 kilogram pears in. So the next one is mangoes. Mangoes is 24 kilogram. So mangoes is 24 kilogram. Draw the bars. Mangoes 24 kilogram. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 24 kilogram sale in mangoes. So the next one is oranges. Oranges is 40 kilogram sale. So draw the bars 40 kilogram in oranges. 10, 20, 30, then 40. So draw the bars 40 kilogram in oranges. The next one is apples. Apples is a 52 kilogram sale. Apples 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 52. So draw the bars in apples 52 kilogram in sale. Next question is, following the data given total marks out of 600 obtained by 6 children of a particular class, represent the data on a bar graph. Represent the data on a bar graph. The students marks obtained. Students Ajay, Bali, Deepthi, Fayaz, Keetiga, Hari. Marks obtained 450, 500, 300, 360, 400, then 540. Students Ajay got 450 marks out of 600. Out of 600, Bali is 500 marks, Deepthi is 300, Fayaz 360, Keetiga is a 400 marks, Hari is a 540. So the question is, represent the data on a bar graph. Here the number of students, take the students along the x-axis and the marks obtained along the y-axis. Construct the bars of same width with the same distance between them. So take the scale. Here 450, 500, 300, 360, 400. So 540. So take the scale in vertical line. 1 unit is equal to 100 marks. So in a scale, 1 unit is equal to 100 marks. So in the x-axis, number of students, then y-axis is marks obtained out of 600 marks. So this is origin, 100, 200, 300. This is y-axis. So now is a bar. Draw the bars. Ajay is 450. So 450, 100, 200, 300, 400 is a 450. So draw the bars. Ajay marks 450. Then Bali is 500. So draw the bars. Bali, so 500. Then Deepthi Deepthi is 300. So draw the bars. Deepthi in 300. 100, 200 is a 300. Then Fayaz. Fayaz is 360 marks. So Fayaz 360 mark. Draw the bar. Fayaz in 360 mark. 100, 200, 300, 350. This is 360. So draw the bars. 360 is a Fayaz mark. Then Keetika marks is 400. So draw the bars. Keetika in marks 400. So the next one is Hari. Hari marks is 540. So draw the bars. Hari mark is 540. 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. This is 540. So this is Hari marks. Next concept is double bar graphs. Double bar graphs. Double bar graphs helps to compare two collections of data at a glance. Double bar graphs helps to compare two collections of data at a glance. Now let us see the few examples of a double bar graph. So the first example is the number of students in a class arriving late for school in 1 week was. So here week 1, week 2 is here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So the week 1, Monday is a 4 students. Tuesday is a 5 students. Wednesday is 2 students. Thursday is 3 students. Then Friday 2 students. Then week 2, Monday 6 students. Tuesday 3 students. Wednesday 4 students. Thursday 1 students. Friday 2 students. Draw a double bar graph to show the above set of data. Draw a double bar graph to show the above set of data. Here days along x-axis, week along y-axis. So here week 1, week 2 is here. So week 1 is shadow, week 2 is shadow. So here x-axis is days, then y-axis is number of students. So x, y, so this is origin. So the first week, Monday, 4 students. Second week, 6 students. So the first week use this shadow. So 4 students. So here 4 students, draw the double bar graph. 4 students. Then week 2 is this shadow. So week 2 is 6 students. This 6 students. Then Tuesday is first week 5 students. Second week 3 students. So first week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 students, use this shadow. Second week is 3 students. Third week, Wednesday 2 students. Week 1, week 2 is 4 students. Week 1 is 2 students. 1, 2. 2 students, week 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 students in week 2. Thursday, 3 students, week 1. 1 students, week 2. So Thursday, 3 students, week 1. 1 students, week 2. Then Friday, 2 students, week 1. 2 students, week 2. Then Friday, 2 students, week 1. 2 students, week 2. So the double bar graph shows compare two collections of data.